solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24 and hence find the value of the m for which equation is there? Y is equal to mx plus 3 equation. This m value we have to find. M value we have to find means we want x value also, y value also. This x value, y value finding the what are the chances are there? This equation is the chance. So write first equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. This is the first equation. Next 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. This is the second equation. So substitution method we are doing. First you take the first equation, from equation 1 we get what? So take equation 1, 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. So this x we will keep, remaining we will send that side. First 3y we will send that side. 2x is equal to 11. Take that side, minus 3y. Now see here, x is equal to 11 minus 3y. It is a into, after is equal to, it is a divided by 2, write it. So this is, you can write third equation. This third equation you are substituting in the second equation. What is the third equation is there? See here, x is equal to 11 minus 3y by 2. Substituting in equation 2. What is the equation 2 is there? See, I am taking equation 2. See here, 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. So, this x place we will substitute this one and we will solve, means we will get y answer. See here, first this x place I am writing here. 2 into, carefully substitute, 11 minus 3y by, what is that? 2. Bracket close, minus same as it is, right? Minus 4y is equal to minus 24. To write it, x plus, write this value, minus 4y is equal to minus 24. See here, any cancel are possible? See, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, cancel. So what is remain? 1 into this number, same only will get. 11 minus 3y minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Now minus 3y minus 4y we can simplify. See here, 11 minus 3y minus 4y minus 7y is equal to minus 24. Now see here, this 11 we will send that minus 7y is equal to, what is that? Minus 24. This plus 11 after is equal to, it is a minus 11. See here, minus 7y is equal to, both are minus, we will do the plus. 4 plus 1, 5, 35. Which 35? Minus 35. See here, y is equal to minus 35. It is a into, after is equal to, it is a divide. See here, minus minus cancel. 7 1 the 7 5. Y is equal to, what is the answer? 5 answer. You got y answer. One answer you got. Now, y is equal to 5, substituting. Which equation? Substituting in equation 3. Right, third equation, what is there? See here, x equal to 11 minus 3y divided by 2. Now see here, x is equal to 11 minus 3 into, what is the y value? 5. 3 into 5 divided by 2. Now see here, x equal to 11 minus 3 5s are 15 divided by 2. Now see here, x equal to small number to big number minus. Small number to big number minus means you will get answer in minus. 15 minus 11, 4. Minus 4 by 2. Now cancel possible. 2 ones are 2 2s are. So x is equal to, what is the answer? Minus 2 is the answer. So x is equal to minus 2. But we have to find what is the value? M value. Which equation? What is the equation? Y is equal to mx plus 3. I am doing here. See, right here, y is equal to mx plus 3. So what is the y value is there? See here, y value is that 5 is equal to m into, what is the x value? Minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3. Now this one we have to solve. Now see here, this one we will send this side. 5 equal to minus 2 into m, minus 2m plus 3. Now this 3 we will send that side. 5 plus 3 after is equal to minus 3 is equal to minus 2m. 5 minus 3 what? 2 is equal to minus 2m. We want only m value. See here, m is equal to, first write 2 divided by, this is the into, after is equal to, it's become divided. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So m is equal to, what is the answer? M is equal to, here down minus is there, we'll get minus 1 is the answer. So in this question, x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 5, m is equal to minus